having to talk loud. I'm noticing you can't hear me sometimes. This is kind of an open boxing, but I opened it for Christmas. My son gets tired of seeing me root things and clone things in Gatorade bottles. So, this is a little set you get. Hate that noise. And I'm going to put it together for you. I'm probably going to fast forward this so I could do it for you quickly. And without that horrible sound. Okay, so we have our little globes. We're going to leave them here so they don't get broken. Actually, I'm going to soak them in my peroxide solution. Just to be on the safe side. I've had enough contamination to last me a lifetime. I did have the instructions. And I put them down somewhere. So you get to watch me figure it out. Which might take a minute. I have these two. I bought them months ago and they're not rooting well either. So we're taking everything out. Peroxide. Just a tad. Wrong one. Hold on. I like to add a little Clonex to it. Sorry, it keeps wanting to move on me. Here we go. He's not gonna fit. We'll have to find him somewhere else. But he wasn't doing well in the soil. Maybe he was just trapped and it was too small. But he's not gonna fit. Let's hope this one will. I'll have to get another plant. Okay, well, I went ahead and took a little bit. I noticed with this, you can take out water and you can add water. So I took some of the water out for him because I didn't want him drowning in there. And this I just took off of one of my plants to see if I could root it so I could finish the video. And him, I think he needed to be repotted. What do you think? Yeah, new video. Alright, well, you guys have yourselves a lovely evening, and I will as well. I'll speak with you later. Again, this is the XXX Flower. That's what it's called. Bye.